Look at this implant in the region of 1-1. I've done the osteotomy through pilot drill and twister drill, then place this compressive implant of length 20 mm, 5 mm dia. So osteotomy was little through the tooth socket triangulating towards the palatal side, and your angulations should be such that it should perforate the nasal floor, means it has to engage in the nasal floor where the T2 bone is there. So that is a good quality bone. So here the process are, here the technique is through osteofixation or osteomodulation. Later on, after loading, osseointegration to occur. That will happen in later stages. So this is the implant in the region of 1-1 perforating the nasal floor. The tip of the implant need not to perforate completely. It has to perforate to some extent so that it will engage better in the T2 bone.